Hello and welcome. So in this lesson we'll be learning how to create a new document in CorelDRAW. So after launching the application, you have a welcome screen like this. This is the welcome screen. So if you are launching your own for the first time, you will not see anything here. So because you've not done any design with it before, so this place you will not see all these recent works. So to create a new document now, you can simply go to your file. Let me not say you can simply go to your file because this is the easiest way. Okay, just click on new documents and you have this dialog box which will pop out. So but you can go to your file and click on new to create a new document as well. So let me just use this one to create a new document. So this is what you have. Okay, so this dialog will come up, and the first thing that you can do here is to name your file, what you want to create. Should I say okay, okay, if this is what I want, here the presets, you can change it to CorelDRAW default RGB. Just observe something, this RGB is checked here. Default CMYK, this one is checked. Web is always on RGB, and all the others. So let me just leave it on this and do the settings myself. So this one now, you set the number of pages you want. If you want more than two pages, you go on to create 3, 4, 5. But I just want only one, so I'll set it to 1. Yeah, this is how you want your pages to view. Should it be single, or maybe you want a multi-page view to show all the pages? So but I'll just leave it on this single. Okay, so color mode now, if I'm to print, really this design is for it's design that I will print out. So this CMYK is for color printing. Okay, I will check this one, but since mine is just for screen, I'm not printing it out, so I'll leave it on this RGB. Page size, since I'm designing a flyer, okay, so you can see a lot of page sizes that come with the CorelDRAW. So even if you don't know how to the page size as well, they have already made provisions for you. You just click on like A4 for example. So the units, and this is the size of A4, 210 millimeters by 297. So you can change this unit to like centimeter, which is very easy, 21 by 29.7 centimeters. You can change it to pieces and you have it like this. You can change it to points, the same thing, but you are seeing different values here because the units are not the same. You can even change it to yards, feet, and you have the value like this. So let me leave it on centimeters. Okay, my centimeters. Okay, so here you can set the orientation of a page. Do we want it to be portrait or landscape? If you want it to be landscape, it means that your length will be longer than the height of this page, since it is not a square. Okay, so I'll just leave it on this one. Okay, the resolution now is at 96 dots per inch, DPI, dots per inch, which is the number of dots you have in for every inch that is on a design. Every 1 inch you have 96. So I'll just set it to the maximum. If it's for screen, that you are not printing it out, if 150 we do, but I just prefer to leave it at this 300 because the higher the resolution, the better the quality of your work. Okay, so for now, this one will do for now. So just click on OK, and CorelDRAW interface will come up like this. So in our next lesson, we'll be explaining the CorelDRAW interface. This interface, that's what we'll be explaining in our next lesson. So thank you, and see you in the next video.